Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin with a safe workspace and your car parked with the engine off. Open the owner manual and find the 12V fuse panel location for your vehicle. Remove the fuse panel cover and visually inspect each fuse for burn marks or broken wire. Use a multimeter set to the continuity setting if needed to test fuses. Turn the ignition to accessory for a quick check. Observe which dashboard lights fail to illuminate and note their positions carefully. Remove the instrument cluster trim panel gently with a trim tool or by using a 10mm socket where required. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts before you handle electrical connectors. Pull the cluster forward just enough to access bulb sockets and wiring harnesses behind it. Inspect each bulb socket for corrosion and each connector for loosened pins or damaged insulation. Replace any faulty bulbs and clean corroded contacts. Reconnect the battery and retest the dashboard lights for 5 minutes to confirm repairs. If lights still fail, use a multimeter to test the wiring harness voltages at the cluster connectors. Verify you have approximately 12V at the power feed and a clean reference ground on the chassis. Inspect the dimmer switch and measure resistance while operating it to detect intermittent faults. Tighten any loose instrument cluster ground screws and clean grounding surfaces for better conductivity. If the issue persists after these checks, consult a service manual or seek a professional instrument cluster repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.